Okay, part two now is the table view. So if we just go to the side column here on the left and we click table view, this is where you'll see all of your nicely clean transform data in a table view format. So you can see here we've got the fact sales selected. Now this is the view where you can actually see the data that sits behind your report. Data view shows the data after it's been loaded and transformed. Think of it as a read-only window. What happens here? What can we do? Look at the rows and the columns. We can also see the count in the bottom left-hand corner there, which is handy for some measures in the future. You can look at the values and you can do sanity checks. So you can look at the data, see if it's uploaded correctly. What you don't really do here is you don't clean the data, you don't change the source, and you don't reshape the tables. Key takeaway, obviously, if you spot data that's incorrect, it's because in Power Query you haven't transformed, you haven't cleaned it up correctly. So this is a good way of spotting it and going back. And the beauty of Power BI is that you will create a visual and the anomaly or the wrong data will stick out like a sore thumb. Next, we'll look at the data model or the model view where Power BI shows all of these tables and how they are connected.